So we just arrived at Deepdale Lane Canal. We're at bridge number 17. I'm going to cast out here for a bit and see what we find. Stay tuned. Oh look, bit of a sign. What a find. Stop recording now.
Oh, plug. Imagine you go in there.
I've always wanted one of them.
What is it?
Looks like a DVD player or... Oh, it's brand new.
How do you know?
It's still got the plastic on it all. It's I think it's a hard drive. Dirty buggers. Yeah. I don't know if it is a hard drive. You'll have to put it in there. You have to search that. Right. Happy hunting. What is that? Looks like a scaffolding bracket. Not bad. Seat. Yeah, looks like an old seat, doesn't it? It's a motorbike seat. Ah, let's keep hunting. We're still on Deepdale Lane, but we're at bridge 16. Got a few things for him. We've got a hard drive, some bolts, and we think we've got a motorbike seat, so keep you posted. Well, we think it's a safe, but I don't think this will lift it. It keeps spinning it, but that's all we're going to get. We turned it on its back and it's open, and I put the magnet inside to see. Yeah,
Oh, you nearly had it then.
It's definitely a safe of some sort, but it is open.
Yeah, it's probably been opened. Dropped it.
Looks empty. Was the magnet round in there? See if there's out. Found a dictaphone.
Oh. Cool.
If anyone knows how they can get this working, let us know. So we've been at bridge 16 for about, I'd say about an hour and a half. Found a dictaphone, probably the best find on here. And there's a safe, but the magnet's not strong enough to pull it up, but it is empty with the door open. So we're going to take our goodies, go home, and I'll take some pictures and add it onto the video. Alright, see you later. Bye. Here's the finds from today. I think probably the best one is maybe the dictaphone we found, or probably the motorbike seat. We also got I think it's like some storage kind of thing for your laptop. So it'd be interesting to find out what's on that. I'll probably give it to the police, probably get it dried out, see if it actually works. Might be some bad images on there that it's just been chucked away. You've got some alcohol clamps, got this like Asian dagger kind of thing, fishing reel, fishing hook thing. Got a key ring. We've got the money box, obviously empty, so it'd be nice to see that when it's cleaned up. Got some kind of rod, I'm not sure if it's a big nail or whatever, and a little motor, a bit of a bracket part, it's got a mechanical part. I think that's for scaffolding of some sort. Got loads of security tags. They'll just go in the bin. So yeah, not a bad find.